Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. I am shooting this on Sunday, May 12th, Mother's Day, so while I'm sure I won't be getting this actually uploaded today, I hope everyone, all you moms, stepmoms, foster moms, grandmas, yay, shout out to us grandmas. I hope you all have had a wonderful Mother's Day this year, and I wish you many more in the future. Today I'm going to be shooting at least a couple different videos, so don't be surprised when you see me look the same. But I want to show you what I purchased for my Sephora Spring VIB 25% off sale. I concentrated a lot on skincare. This is the first time that I have done such a big purchase from Sephora, and like I said in a prior video, because of the restriction on how many things you could buy from Drunk Elephant at one time, I did do actually 3 separate purchases during the sale. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is just these are restocking of items that I use, at least the shower gel every day. I bought 2 of the Sol de Janeiro, the Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. These are normally, I believe, $25 a piece, and obviously the VIB sale gave me a 20% off code. I'm also excited that in my FabFitFun box for the summer, I'm getting another one of these, so like, yay. But this smells exactly like the Boom Boom cream from the same company. I literally use this every single day. It smells to me like sunshine and happiness. I know it's like pistachio and something else, but it just smells so good. So I actually bought 2 of these to go in my bathroom. Also, I purchased my shampoo and conditioner, which is the Verb Ghost. Here, let's go this way. And I get the big old jugs because you get a better deal when you're buying in volume. But that's what these look like. And I do wash my hair and condition twice a week. I used to wash it every day, regardless of how often my daughters told me how bad that was for my hair. It's just what I always did. But in the last couple of years, I have started, doing what you're supposed to do and only washing it twice a week. So usually it's Wednesday and Saturday. And now Sundays I have started doing just like a conditioning mask while I'm in the shower to just kind of add to it and try to get my hair a little bit healthier. As you can probably tell from my videos, as my hair is getting longer and longer, that I am trying to grow it out. I'd had it as a pixie cut after a few months after I had my surgery, and all my hair started falling out because of the rapid weight loss. It was very distressing. So I'm like, okay, if I just cut it all off and then wait till it's healthy again. I thought that I was going to keep it that way, and I changed my mind again. So it's growing out again. But anyway, so those are the staples that I purchased. These are things that I use regularly, and I never want to run out of them, so I took advantage of the 20% off for those items. And then on skincare, I spent a lot of money on skincare. I never thought that I would purchase Drunk Elephant items. The first time I walked into, I believe, an Ulta, and I saw how stupid expensive they were, I'm like, no, that's crazy. I'm never gonna do that. Well, never say never. I had purchased little sample sizes. I think you've probably seen in like my Get Ready With Me, which I'm still working at this point on editing and getting it up there. I had problems with my editing software and I ended up having to purchase a different software, and I have not had a chance to play with that yet. It's been pretty busy. So once I get done filming these, I'm going to go on a marathon editing session. So this should be interesting, learning the new stuff. Hopefully it's not too different from what I've been using, but I'm also hoping with the new software I don't have the audio issues that I was having of the audio getting out of sync, because especially like what I don't understand why it was doing that, because my mic is attached to my camera and the audio is attached to the video, like it's integrated in the video on the memory card, and when I would do a cut it would get out of sync, but it shouldn't. Whoa. Anyway, hopefully the new one is better. It was very, very highly rated, really good reviews, so I have high hopes. Anyway, I digress. So, Drunk Elephant. I purchased, like I said, sample sizes that I was using for my face, and I have decided to go ahead and purchase the full size, and that is the B-Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum and the C-Firma Day Serum. And these are what the boxes looks like, and these are recommended to be used together. I find it a little interesting that they're both, oh no, excuse me, this one is, the C-Firma is 1 ounce and the B-Hydra is 1.69 fluid ounces, or 30 ml for the C-Firma, 50 ml for the B-Hydra. So I will continue to use up the little ones that I have until those are all gone, and then I'll switch to those. But and it is recommended, at least on the C-Firma, to not stockpile that stuff, because I guess it can actually turn, like it's not going to last you for years. It actually says that you should, yeah, this one says contains pure L-ascorbic acid and is best when fresh, so use immediately and don't stock up. After first use, may be stored in the refrigerator to help maintain its potent antioxidant activity and effectiveness. So we do have a fridge up here in our closet, so I will probably keep it in there. And hey, that might help kind of refresh my face in the morning. And then because I really enjoyed those two, I purchased both the Protini Polypeptide Cream, which is a moisturizer, and that's in this box. This is strengthen and moisturize, apply morning and night to clean dry skin for a vital dose of protein and replenishing moisture. Also, I got a Shaba Complex Eye Serum, smooth and hydrate. It's got copper peptides and it says Edelweiss stem cell. So, if I can get one of these to focus. There we go. That one focused. So that one likes me. So we're going to give those a shot. You know, probably still paid way too much money for them, even with 20% off. But I guess it's better than full price. I've also, in the skincare from, I believe it was my Spring FabFit Fun, was when I got the Murad little sample sizes. I know one's a primer. I used that yesterday. It's supposed to be a blurring primer. And it's fine. It worked fine. Honestly, I don't notice a whole lot of difference with primers, but I have actually really been enjoying these two, which are the Retinol Youth Renewal Serum and the Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum. Now these are both 1 fluid ounce or 30 ml, and the boxes look like so. And these are ones that I use in the evening after washing my face and before putting on moisturizer. So that was it for skincare. I did also go ahead and purchase a legitimate version of the Bye Bye Under Eye Illumination, and it's the same shade that I use with the regular kind, which was the Light Natural. So as you can tell, it's still in the box. I have not had a chance to try it yet. When I do, it'll probably just be either for a try on or a first, well, it wouldn't really be a first impression other than a first impression of a legitimate one. I don't know. I'll figure out how I'm going to use it. I may just, you know, try it during the week or, you know, on a Saturday when I'm not filming to, you know, hopefully it not be greasy like the stuff from Wish was. But, you know, I said I'd buy it probably on sale, and I did. So we'll give it a shot. And then I also purchased just another one of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz and Blonde, just because I have discovered that I use more of the blonde than I do of the taupe. And the last time when I purchased a bunch, I did 2 of the blonde and 2 of the taupe, and I want one more of these because I'm going to go through it faster. And then I am still trying to find the holy grail for foundation and concealer mixture. I have already purchased prior to the Jouer concealer, so I decided to purchase the Jouer foundation to try along with it. Now, I find this to be very interesting. The box is massive. I mean, look at this. If you can focus, that'd be great. There we go. So, I mean, it's really pretty. But then you open this thing up, and you've got this, you know, little container in here. So you pop it out, and you got this tiny little container. There we go. You have this tiny jar and this massive box. Why? That's just a lot of waste. Maybe one of these days we'll do better. But anyway, it does say to shake well. I've not tried this yet. Obviously, the shade is Biscuit that I purchased. It does say high coverage cream foundation, hyaluronic acid, tripeptide complex, matte and oil free. And of course, since I get oily nose and chin area, especially the sides of my nose, you know, I'm always going to try to find something that's going to work for that. Oh, and where normally foundations come in 1 fluid ounce or 30 ml, this is only 20 ml, and it says 0.68 fluid ounces. So it is extra expensive. It comes with way too much packaging, and you get less product. I guess that's what you get for high-end. Now, if it is like most high-end stuff that I have experience with, you don't need to use as much, and maybe that's why there's less product in here. But it's still a little like, really? Really? Anyway, that's my 2 cents on the whole tiny jar big packaging for Jouer. Everything else, it looks like that it comes in, it fits, the packaging fits the size of the product. The next concealer and foundation combination that I purchased was the Natasha Denona Transfix, or the Transformat Pore Vanishing Matte Foundation, and the Transfix Matte Concealer. The only other thing that I have from Natasha Denona is one of her eyeshadow palettes. Also very expensive, really nice stuff. Not sure if it's worth the, was it $129 price tag? I have looked at her other palettes as well, but I'm just like, I have a ton of palettes. If you could see, I've really kind of gone overboard on palettes, which is why of all the stuff that I purchased, which this video is just going to be what I bought from Sephora, I do also have an Ulta spring haul over here. I bought 2 palettes, only one's an eyeshadow, but that's for the next video. I digress again. I've got stuff all over my table here. If you could see all of this stuff, you'd be like, anyway. last couple of things here. So another foundation and concealer that I purchased is from Charlotte Tilbury. I got the Magic Foundation and the Magic Away Liquid Concealer. And here are these. There you go. For Charlotte Tilbury, the only other things that I have of hers is I do have both a loose and pressed powder that are supposed to be amazing. I have not had amazing results with. So I'm hoping maybe if I use it with her foundation and concealer that I'll see what it is that Wayne Goss is so gaga over her stuff with. I don't know. Maybe they're designed to work together, hopefully. The last foundation and concealer that I purchased is the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation and the Dior Skin Forever Undercover. So this is just what the boxes look like. I was kind of surprised with the Dior that one, this is it's like a plasticky rubber. In all the pictures, I expected this to be glass for some reason. And then instead of a pump, it's like a dropper, like a medicine dropper. As you can see, I've not tried this one yet. Probably have a whole bunch of first impression videos coming in the future, trying all this stuff out. That concludes the purchases from Sephora for the VIB sale. What I decided of everything was going to be worth my money. Obviously, the staples, it's a great time to pick up stuff that you know you're going to use. Just like with the skincare, I know I'm going to use the Murad. I know I'm going to use the B-Hydra and the C-Firma because I have been using them every day for quite a few weeks now, and I really do like them. I'm hoping that the Eye Serum and the moisturizer are as good as the serums. Time will tell. And then obviously I'm hoping to find a gem in with all of these foundations and concealers, and hopefully find something that's not going to be crepey, creasy on my eyes. But anyway, yeah, that's it for this one. I don't know how helpful this would be for people. These were just what I was attracted to, you know, during this opportunity to save 20% off. Obviously, you would want to do what you would be attracted to. I will follow up and let you know how these items are working for me. Obviously, with the foundations and concealers, I do want to do a series focusing on the foundation, you know, focusing on different parts of this whole stuff here. You know, those are videos for obviously another time. So again, I hope everybody is having a wonderful Mother's Day, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.